let's say you're making a movie recommendation site. Not that I would know anything about working at large streaming movie sites. And let's say our recommendation algorithm that we want to try today is we want to say, it's like, all right, this person has seen 45 films by Halle Berry. They probably really like Halle Berry, or Kristen Stewart, for example, but today we're going to be using Halle Berry. We want to query our network for things that Halle Berry has acted in, and then we want to jump to like recommendations of people that have been in films with Halle Berry so that they can go check out other films. So the way that we could do that is we can come in and say match Halle as a person, right? And then acted in. And we want to jump, but we don't want to jump too far, right? So as you may imagine, like, I don't want to jump to, this person has been in this, I don't know, too far of a network effect, right? We want to just jump to immediately has been in the same film with Halle Berry. So we could do acted in star, and then we can do 1.4, and that's going to put an upper cap of how far this will explore our graph. Okay, and then I'm not going to add a directionality because they're going to have both directions in both directions. And we're going to say this is going to be our recommendation, the person that we want to recommend to our movie viewer that really likes Halle Berry. Okay, and then we're going to say where Halle.name equals Halle Berry. Return distinct recommendation dot name. And then we also want to put an order by, right? Because if someone continually shows up in a lot of films with Halle Berry, that would be a good indication that we'd want to recommend someone this particular actor or actress. So we're going to say order by recommendation dot name. We could also put count star here and say count star comma recommendation dot name. All right, so now we should be able to run this query, and we'll get back. In this particular case, no one's been in. Oh, here we go. Probably should have done that descending. Let's run that again. So now you can see Carrie-Anne Moss, Keanu Reeves, and Lawrence Fishburne and Meg Ryan have all been in 3 films with Halle Berry. So this is a good indication. We should recommend this film or these actors and actresses to this person that really likes Halle Berry. This is a terrible recommendation algorithm, but I think you can kind of see here, you can kind of explore graphs and see the interesting ways things are connected. Like this would be better for like bands, for example, right? Like if you listen to this band a lot and your friend listens to the same band a lot and they also listen to this, other band a ton and you don't, right? That would be a good recommendation for you. So let's talk about the 1.4 here. This is kind of letting it know the upper bounds of how far you want to jump. If I put 6 here, because I think it also includes, you have to jump to a film and then to a person. I think if I put 6 here, you're going to get a lot more people, right? For example, her very extended, right? So people that have acted in films with Halle Berry that have acted with someone else, right? That's the extended network. If you add an additional hop there, for whatever reason, Hugo Weaving is very much in her extended network. And also for that matter, that's probably most of the graph at this point because that's a very wide graph if you allow for 2 hops.